Good evening, guys. So let's start with our presentation and our syllabus. Okay. Guys, please unmute and tell me my screen is visible or not.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Thanks for the acknowledgement. So, guys, see, now we have connected for the most important course. It is the data science and Genie AI. Okay. So, first of all, tell me which language is comfortable for you guys, Hindi, English, Marathi. How? Could you please tell me, or should I continue with the English? You can unmute and tell me. Okay, so I will use mostly English only. Suppose sometimes if it is any complex concepts are there, then I will go for the Hindi mix. Okay, so yeah, we will start. So see, just first we will start with my introduction. So I'm a trainer. My name is Vishal Kulkarni. I have completed my engineering from information technology, and then I have completed my MBA. I have a total 8 years of experience as a data analyst and AI engineer. Currently, I'm working with the Tech Mahindra as a AI architect. Okay, so this is a senior position, guys. If you can check in the Google or anywhere, it is a very senior position where all the things, all the high level this AI architecture role is involved in that. After that, I have total 6.5 years of experience as a data science and AI trainer. So it's not like that ki just I came here and I have sit here in front of you and I'm giving you a session. It's not like that. Okay. So इससे पहले भी बहुत सारी batches I have covered. I have almost trained 800 plus students for the data analyst and data science. So before your batch, I have taken already this data analyst and data science batch. So don't worry, I'm not a fresher here. Okay. So what are the past companies I have worked? Okay. So PhonePe, Infosys, Deloitte is my past companies where I have worked here. So total experience I had already told you that 8 years of experience I have as a data analyst and AI engineer. Okay. So yeah, this is all about me, guys. So this is just short introduction. So let's quickly move for the next one. So yeah, so anyone, do you have idea what is the data science? What do you know about the data? Do you have any idea? Guys, please make this session but two-way communication. So here I'm helping you. If you are wrong or something is you are not getting, then I can help you for that. So tell me what is the data science first? Why we want to go for the data science? Anyone?
Yeah, so predict something, from the raw data. Uh,
Data science is something like we predict the future based on the past analysis of the data.
Very good, Neha and Afroz. You are perfectly right. Yes, data science is nothing but you can see here the definition, or we can say it's normally on the basis of historical data or existing data, we will derive one pattern, and on the on that pattern, we will predict the future. Okay, मीन्स पास्ट में जो डेटा है हमारे पास उसकी बेसिस के ऊपर हम आगे का प्रेडिक्शन कर सकते हैं. Getting guys, everyone, what is the data science now? So it is the process of using a data to find useful insights and make a better decisions by applying the statistics, programming and machine learning. इतना difficult language नहीं चाहिए, simple है. By using existing data we will predict the future, that's it. Okay. Now, what is a machine learning then? So machine learning, what is a machine learning? People are very means feared about this term machine learning. So, sir, I'm really afraid about this machine learning. Machine learning is very simple subject, guys. If I told you, in the machine learning, there are 7 to 8 algorithms. See, if you see, there are lots of algorithms, but in the interview perspective, in the real-time scenarios, we will see only 7 to 8 algorithms, that is in depth. Okay, it is thoroughly, we will see each and every topic. See, there are algorithms like a logistic regression, linear regression. In logistic regression, we have the classification algorithm, we have the logistic regression and KNN algorithm. So what is this linear regression? What is this logistic regression? We will discuss all these things in the depth. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I will just give you some idea how it's working. So give me 1 minute only. Let me open the Paint. See, this is just small idea I'm giving. This is not a development, because actual sessions when we are going to start, we will see how the Python code will be implemented. So that is in depth only. So right now I'm giving just overview about that. So now see here, suppose, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay. So now suppose I'm just giving you a heads up here. So suppose here one dot, here one dot, here one dot. Now what is this dot? What is this dot? Why? What is this exactly here? So this is the x-axis, guys, and this is the y-axis. Now we want to, this is the existing data we have. This is the dots. Sorry, some are in dark and some are blurred. So don't worry, just we want to understand the concept, how it is going. So you will get idea how we are going to teaching each and everything. In logistic regression, suppose we have a data. Suppose this is your salary column, okay? And this is your age column. This is your age and this is your salary. Or we can say this is the age and this is your salary. Okay, both can be possible, don't worry. Now if you see here, whatever the coordinates for the age here, right, it is like the distance from here and distance from here, right? So for each and every point we have x and y, both coordinates. इन 7 और 8 स्टैंडर्ड में हमने ये देखा था ना कि हर एक डॉट अगर एक प्लेन में हम डिफाइन करते हैं तो वी हैव 2 पॉइंट्स x एंड y एक्सिस. तो लीनियर रिग्रेशन में क्या होता है कि अगर ये एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा मेरे पास है, वी हैव अ एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा, वी वांट टू फाइंड अ बेस्ट फिट लाइन हियर. सो मुझे बेस्ट फिट लाइन ढूंढना है. व्हाट इज मीन बाय बेस्ट फिट लाइन? तो बेस्ट फिट लाइन इज लाइक दैट कि ये मेरा प्रेडिक्शन हो गया. मतलब अगर कोई भी डेटा, अभी ये डेटा मेरे पास एग्जिस्टिंग था, दिस इज अ डेटा वी ऑलरेडी हैव, वी वांट टू predict the data where it will plot. Means is it will plot here or is it will plot here, is it will plot here. So ये मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे इसको predict करना है. Suppose here we have a age. Suppose यहाँ पे मेरे पास कुछ data दिया हुआ है like this. I'm just giving just short idea. Suppose here we have a age like a 24, 25, 26, 27, and here we have a salary like a 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 80,000, like that. Now suppose we want to predict the data. Suppose if someone has put down their age is 24, so it has to predict their salary like something near about this, right? It will not predict here. गेटिंग गाइस? यहाँ पे प्रेडिक्ट होगा क्या वो? बताओ मुझे, ये प्रेडिक्ट हो सकता है क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज अ, दिस इज योर बेस्ट फिट लाइन, राइट? अगर ये आपका एक्स पॉइंट है, दिस इज योर एक्स पॉइंट, सो आपका वाई पॉइंट यहाँ पे ही रहेगा कहीं पे. So this is your test data. Logistic regression, in short, we can say it is a continuous data. अगर कोई भी डेटा मुझे प्रेडिक्ट करना है कि where it will belongs to, whatever the new data will get it, I need to just predict where it is belong to. ये हो गया मेरा लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन, सॉरी ये हो गया मेरा लीनियर रिग्रेशन. तो व्हाट इज मेरा लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन? लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन ये क्या होता है? बहुत बार आप सुनो, व्हेन मल्टीपल टाइम्स यू हर्ड दिस टॉपिक, दैट व्हाट लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन, लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन. सो लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन, इट इज अ क्लासिफिकेशन. Suppose you have multiple parameters, like you have a salary, you have a age parameters. You want to, or suppose in real time example, we can say in particular area we are getting the location, we are getting income, and now we want to find out the, is that person will purchase a home or not. Suppose we want to predict like that, so that answer will be yes or no, right? It is a classify between yes or no. सो जब भी ऐसा सिचुएशन रहेगा कि जैसे डेटा मेरा क्लासिफाई होता रहेगा, जैसे कि yes और no और 0 and 1 इस केस में, तो that time you have to keep in mind that always comes under the logistic regression. तो आई राइट नाउ, अगर आपको नहीं भी समझा होगा, देर इज नॉट एन इशू. ये बस मैं आपको हाई लेवल पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ. व्हेन वी विल गो फॉर द एग्जैक्टली सेशंस, डेफिनेटली आई कैन इंश्योर यू, मैं आपको बहुत स्क्रैच से ये सब टॉपिक्स लेने वाले हैं. तो ये जस्ट आई एम गिविंग जस्ट वन एग्जांपल हियर, सो डोंट वरी इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग. It's not our session, it is a demo session, so we are just trying to clear your concepts, okay, basic concept. Now in Gen AI we are also seeing the LLM. Now what is meant by LLM? LLM is large language model. Okay, so what is meant by large? So it is a, suppose if you see in the most of organization like YouTube, Insta and Facebook, they have lots of data, right? But LLM, it is a more about related to text data. तो बहुत सारा, if you go in Tata companies, in bank companies, they have textual information, right? They don't have विजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन. तो जैसे आप कोई बैंक में जाते हो, जैसे एसबीआई हो गया, आईसीआईसीआई हो गया, एचडीएफसी हो गया, सो इन ओवरऑल इंडिया, इन द वर्ल्ड, दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ब्रांचेस. सो वट एवर द डेटा डे बाय डे, सो जैसे कि ट्रांजेक्शन्स आपकी विड्रॉ ट्रांजेक्शन, जो सेविंग अकाउंट से ट्रांजेक्शन हो रही है, आपकी करंट अकाउंट से ट्रांजेक्शन हो रही है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ डेटा. So that data is going to stored in something database or data warehouse, right? So on the basis of that existing data, we will provide the insights, we will generate the answers, and we will respond like a human. तो LLM क्या करेगा? जैसे कि आप चैट जीपीटी या डीपसीक, डू यू नो व्हाट आर द जेन एआई मॉडल? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया गाइज? कोई आप बता सकते हो कि जेन एआई क्या है? कोई मॉडल आपको पता है क्या जेन एआई का?
टेस्ला कार.
टेस्ला कार इज नॉट अ जेन एआई.
This Cloud AI, ChatGPT,
या
Perplexity.
correct. Chat GPT is a perfect answer. Yeah, another one, if you see DeepSeek, do you know it is a Chinese model they have developed?
Yes,
DeepSeek,
sir. Yes, sir.
right? So DeepSeek, ChatGPT, these two models, mostly people know, so that's why I'm using this one. So these models are using the LLMs. LLM को डेवलप करना इट्स नॉट अ जोक गाइस. इट विल रिक्वायर 100 millions of dollars, क्योंकि उसके लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारा डेटा चाहिए, बहुत सारा, मतलब मुझे उसके ऊपर स्पेस चाहिए, आई नीड दैट मच डेटा वेयर हाउस, आई नीड दैट मच infrastructure, I need that much data center. So everything, manpower, skilled manpower, everything should I have, and millions of the amount will required for the building the LLM model. So if you see India के पास कोई भी LLM model अभी तक बना हुआ नहीं है. So ChatGPT is from the US and DeepSeek is from the China. So इंडिया में भी हम कर सकते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स, इफ यू सी द इंटरव्यूज फॉर द चैट जीपीटी ओनर, सो समवन हैज आस्क्ड, so India can build a LLM model. They said no, because it's not like a amount, but it requires lot of the amount and infrastructure and all these things. We have skilled worker, everything, but leave it for just for information I'm giving you कि उस LLM बनाना ये आसान चीज नहीं है. हाँ, बट वी कैन यूज द LLM जो एग्जिस्टिंग, जो चैट जीपीटी है, डीप सीक है, जेमिना है, तो वो हम यूज करके वी कैन डेवलप द एप्लीकेशन. AI एप्लीकेशन हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं, वही हमें सीखना है. दैट्स द थिंग वी नीड टू लर्न. So how we have to learn, how we have to build a AI application, 101% I can give you an idea, but not now. If I'll help you how to develop that GenAI application, you will not understand because it's a high level things. Now we will move for the next one. So yeah, GenAI. So what is the GenAI and how, what are the real time cases generally in our life? We will see that. So what is the GenAI? So GenAI, it is simply, it will generate the new contents. If you observe, एक आप ट्राई करके देखना. If you observe, just open the chat GPT, not now, after this session. Just ask them any question, whatever is in your mind. You just simply ask to chat GPT or DeepSeek or Gemini, any model. You can just open and ask them any question, and again ask the same question to them. You will find out that they will change their answer. So suppose in first time when you click, when you insert the prompt, now what is the prompt I will tell you later on. So prompt means question, जो आप question पूछते हो. When you put down your question in to the chat GPT or Gemini or DeepSeek, you will see, you will get that answer. One more time, if you ask same question, the answer before you have give the chat GPT or the AI model has given, that is 101%, it is different than first one. तो मुझे जो सेकंड टाइम आंसर मिलने वाला है वो पहले आंसर से थोड़ा बहुत वर्डिंग उसमें हमेशा चेंज रहेगा. एग्जैक्ट सिमिलर आंसर आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट? बिकॉज उसमें एक रैंडम स्टेट बोल के एक ये है, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो वेन एवर वी विल सी, इफ यू पुट डाउन दैट प्रॉम्प्ट ऑन चैट जीपीटी, तो फर्स्ट टाइम जो आंसर मिलेगा, दैट आई विल गेट on the basis of that random state, and another answer I will get by the random state. तो वो जो चीजें हैं, that we will see how to build that. मुझे सपोज AI कोई एप्लीकेशन मैंने बना के रखा है, मुझे चाहिए कि ऐसा आंसर चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. जो आंसर मुझे फर्स्ट मिला वही आंसर मुझे हर टाइम मिलना चाहिए. फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वहां पे अलोकेशन है. हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, दैट डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट. Okay, so we will see that practical. If you want, we can go definitely, but now we will see here Gen AI tool. So what are the Gen AI tools normally? So Chat GPT, Delay, Copilot, and Gen AI bots. So now Chat GPT, what it will do? If you see Chat GPT never create an images. You can insert, you can ask them, I need a picture for this one. Now in chat GPT 3.0, they are giving some types of images, but before the models, they are just working on the text. Now if you see the previous models of the chat GPT, they are generating only text. So जैसे आप कोई question उनसे पूछते हो, so they will generate the text. तो फिर ये आप बोलोगे सर इतना सारा डेटा, हाउ इट विल वर्क, हाउ द चैट जीपीटी वर्क? तो means this that much data, how it will taking out, ये कैसे होते रहेगा? So they are using RAG fine tuning application. So what is meant by RAG? What is meant by fine tuning? These all are the next concepts that we are going to cover in our sessions. So what happened when you are asking some prompt, when you are providing some prompt to ChatGPT or any AI tool, what happened that internally they will convert that query into binary language, that 0101, and then it will that your tool is connected to vector databases, and then it will use all the public domain websites like a Google, your Bing, whatever the wherever the Wikipedia, wherever the information is available, they will collect the information, they will create one answer for you and they will place in front of you. तो ये सब fractions of second में होता है. तो अगर आपने उनको पूछा who is the prime minister of India, so they will go to their database, they will go to the Wikipedia or somewhere the website, they will collect the information, they will create some answers for you and they will place in front of you. तो इस तरह से आपका जेन AI टूल वर्क होता है. कोई भी रहेगा, चैट जीपीटी रहेगा, डीपसीक रहेगा या जेमिनाई रहेगा, एनी टूल इज वर्किंग लाइक दैट ओनली. आर यू अंडरस्टूड नाउ? ये सब हाई लेवल पिक्चर है. ये कैसे होगा, कैसे करने वाले, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. वी आर जस्ट नाउ सीइंग कि ये कैसे होने वाला है, ये कैसे काम करता है, ये हमने हाई लेवल पिक्चर देखी अभी. आर यू गेटिंग गाइस? कुड यू प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड एनी क्वेश्चन टिल नाउ? You can unmute and tell me if you have any doubts here. Alfred, Neha, Prachiti, any other guys?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Okay, so I hope there is no doubt here. Okay, so what is the real world cases here? So chatbots, this is very famous nowadays. Every company want their own chatbot. So suppose if you go to the HDFC Bank website or some website, they will just put up their one chatbot. If you ask some question to them, they will reply to you. Okay, so different types of chatbots are there, voice bots are there. So nowadays, if you ask them by hey, where is the Kharadi, where is the Shivaji Nagar in the Pune, so they will answer you that answer. They will answer by collecting the information from the database and they will place that information in front of you. So ये सब कैसे काम होने वाला है, how we are going to create a chatbot. So you know guys, chatbot ये आपको create करने के लिए how much code you will require? It is only 20 line code, only 20 line code. ट्रस्ट मी, चैटबॉट इतना इजी है. जब हम देखने वाले कि इसको कैसे क्रिएट करना है, आई विल गिव यू आइडिया कि इस चैटबॉट क्रिएट करने के लिए मुझे बस 20 लाइन का पाइथन कोड लिखना है एंड यू विल, आप बोलोगे सर इतना इजी रहता है चैटबॉट बनाना. आई रियली, इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग. तो chatbot is not a big deal guys, it's very easy. Suppose if you want to create some advanced feature in that, of course we can develop in that, and for that reason we can add some Python code over there, and then that changes will be you can see in your application. So it's very easy, chatbots and all the things. Let's we will see all these things in the details whenever our sessions we're going to start. Now, so these are the some use cases, guys. Chatbots, resume screening. 1 minute, I'm just close. Where is that? Okay, sorry. Resume screening, code generation, and customer support automation. These are the real world use cases. Now we will see what are the topics we are going to cover here. So topics, if you see here, see this is the total 5 to 5.5 month course, guys. Okay, so first topic we are going to cover here, the SQL. It's very simple topic. SQL, I can ensure you this is a 15 days session for the SQL. Within a 15 days, you can write a SQL query without using ChatGPT. That is my assurance to you. It's very simple SQL. After that, we will move towards the Python. Power BI we will take it in last because in the data science, most of focus is on Python programming. Now, if you see most of the people afraid with the Python, sir, it is there are lots of syntax here. Okay, lots of coding, how I will get that these things. So don't worry. Yes, of course, they have a syntax, but we have a lots of the tricks how to use the Python codes, how to write the Python codes in simple way. So we have lots of tricks over there. So जब भी हम ये Python coding start करेंगे, I will give you some trick. तो उसकी basis के ऊपर आप you can easily write down your Python code. So Python code it will come almost I think 40 sessions. It will take the Python programming. In that we will see the list, string, dictionaries, tuples and set. So now you know right panda, but most of the people's known that in the Python pandas library is very important. Yeah, realme, who is that? Could you please unmute and ask your doubt? You have raised your hand. Realme 6i. सर या क्या पहली और लास्ट क्लास रहेगी या इस कंटिन्यू करोगे? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग. या क्या पहली और लास्ट क्लास रहेगी या इस कंटिन्यू करोगे? नो नो, आई एम द ओनली ट्रेनर गाइज. Okay, so for the data science and AI, full syllabus I'm going to cover here. So no one will come. This is demo sessions. If I conduct here, so all the syllabus, all the sessions are will completed by me. So don't worry, no one will come here. So Python will take almost 40 sessions. In the 40 sessions, I can give assurance. You within a 40 session, you can easily write down a Python code. So if you see SQL and Python, if you know these two languages in the data science, no one will stop you guys. That I can give you 101%. Most of the people are afraid with the pandas, NumPy libraries, but it is very useful and very simple guys. So pandas में क्या होता है? Basically it is a data frame series. So how to create a series, how to create a data frame, how to read the file. तो बहुत बार क्या होता है कि वी नीड टू एनालाइज द डेटा, वी नीड टू विजुअल द डेटा बाय यूजिंग द pandas. Okay, definitely guys, I will come to your questions at last 10 minutes, so give me some time. Once my all the things will completed, I will give you 10 to 15 minutes to ask your doubts. Okay, so yeah, so in NumPy and pandas, in the data frames, these data frames we require lots in the your development of the application. So what happened, जब भी आप कोई एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करने जाते हो, कोई लाइब्रेरीज जैसे sklearn हो गई. ओके, तो sklearn में बहुत सारे मॉड्यूल हैं यहाँ पे अवेलेबल. आपकी numpy हो गई, pandas हो गई, मैटप्लॉटलिब हो गई. तो बहुत सारा डेटा हमें एनालिसिस करना पड़ता है बाय यूजिंग पाइथन. बहुत सारे लोग डरते हैं कि सर मुझे डेटा अगर पाइथन में डिस्प्ले करना है, लाइक अ पावर बीआई. जैसे पावर बीआई में कोई रिपोर्ट हम विजुअलाइज करते हैं, कोई डेटा को हम विजुअलाइज करते हैं. सेम थिंग, by using Python code we can visualize our data in pie chart, in your bar chart, in column chart. तो आप Python से क्या कर सकते हो? डेटा को विजुअलाइज कर सकते हो. तो these are very इंटरेस्टिंग गाइज. आई कैन हेल्प, आई कैन टेल यू, आई कैन एंश्योर यू, अगर आप ये कर लेते हो पाइथन अच्छे से, जो अगर सेशंस आप 100% अटेंड करते हो, आई कैन एंश्योर यू कि आपको पाइथन में कभी कभी कोई इशू नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, so Python, we will cover all this topic, guys. So data types, control flow, decision making statement, functions, lambda functions, list, set, tuple, oops, concepts. Oops are very important as the interview perspective. So interview में क्या question पूछने वाले, that is also going to cover. So what is the class, what is the inheritance, what is the polymorphism, what is how to create a class, how to create the objects. All these things we are going to cover in our the Python. Okay. After that, it is a very important topic. It is a data handling and visualization. It is again in Python only. So how to create a file by using Python. तो Python में फाइल कैसे क्रिएट करनी है, उसके ऊपर डेटा कैसे लिखना है, हाउ टू राइट द डेटा. ओके, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ टेक्स्ट फाइल, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ CSV फाइल. तो ये सब हम देखने वाले हैं. सो डोंट वरी, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू हेड्स अप की व्हाट आर गोइंग टू कवर इन आवर सेशंस. This is the NumPy basics. What are the NumPy? What is the pandas? What is the matplotlib? These all are the libraries, guys. What is the seaborn? So all these are the libraries. Don't scare of this. अगर आप केयरफुली इसका सेशंस एक अटेंड कर लोगे pandas का, then from the next session onwards you will say, sir, pandas we can easily create a file, we can easily import the data, we can easily create the data frames, we can easily operate making different types of operation on the data. So these are the all the visualization plot types: matplotlib, scatter plot, line plot, box plot, pie plot, subplots. These all things we are going to in plots. Then statistics again. So what is mean, what is the median? हमने ये 7-8 स्टैंडर्ड में देखा होगा. सो मीन मीन्स नथिंग बट द एवरेज. तो एवरेज कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? बाय यूजिंग पाइथन. उसके लिए कोई फंक्शंस हमारे पास है क्या? तो 101%. मीन इज ऑलमोस्ट वन फंक्शंस वी हैव which help us to get a average. Then we have another thing, so probability. What is the probability, right? तो जैसे कि हम टॉस करते हैं, so what is the probability to come tail and head? 50-50, right? Either you will get heads, either you will get tail. It means it is a 50-50 probability. So that all the things we are going to cover here. Then in the machine learning we will see the lots of algorithm, guys. So what is the regression? Just I told you before, classification. What is the KNN algorithm? What is the logistic? What is the linear regression? What is the K? So this is all of the algorithms. Then it is a neural network. What is the NLP? That is also we are going to cover here. Natural language processing. Okay, this is very important. RAG, retrieval augmented generation. So in the interview, if you attend any interview, most of the people will ask you the question on the RAG, fine tune and your LangChain. So LangChain क्या होता है? LangChain framework क्या है? RAG क्या है? फाइन ट्यूनिंग मतलब क्या? सो फाइन ट्यूनिंग इज नथिंग बट, सपोज कोई डेटा हमें पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में मेरे पास अवेलेबल है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वो डेटा सिस्टम को देते हैं. हम जैसे मशीन लर्निंग में हम पढ़ने वाले कि कौन सा एल्गोरिदम यूज करेंगे, तो व्हाट द मॉडल विल डू, मॉडल विल रीड ऑल द डेटा. ठीक है, वो पूरा डेटा रीड करेगा. इट विल स्टोर इन देयर डेटाबेस. सपोज someone has asked the question on the basis of that existing data, they can give the answer on the that PDF data. So whatever the PDF data they have, they will simply analyze that data and they will predict what will be the answer, perfect answer for you. तो इसको बोला जाता है फाइन ट्यूनिंग. बट ये हम बहुत सारा डिटेल्स में आई विल टेल यू. right now I'm just giving you very high level picture. So I just think कि जैसे हम टेक्निकल में जाएंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा जब हम रियल सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. Now we will go for this important points. What is the Gen AI? So retrieval augmented generation, then Gen AI. तो Gen AI में क्या होने वाला है, तो ये हम सब देखने वाले. GPT क्या है, LLM क्या है, Gemini क्या है, ये सब हम देखने वाले. If you see here, I will just open one thing, Google. Now here Grok. We will use here Grok to get the interface. So why I have open here. So I will tell you one thing. Grok क्या है, ये हमें क्या कैसे डेवलप हेल्प करेगा. तो ये क्या करेगा guys? It will one minute. I'm just seeing the where is the documents. Okay, yeah, docs. Now in this, you can see we have here different types of models. See here, different types of model. See, Llama 3.118 billion, Llama 3.337 billion, 70 billion. What is meant by 1 billion? Is it price, guys? No, it is not a price. It is free to use. 8 billions are the parameters they have used in their model. तो आप बोलोगे सर ये ग्रॉक कहाँ से आ गया अचानक से. So Grok is one interface where we can, by using the Grok, we can simply use that application, and we can create our एनी एप्लीकेशन। तो जैसे कि मेरे पास कोई मॉडल, मतलब ग्रॉक हमें क्या करेगा, मॉडल प्रोवाइड करेगा, जैसे हगिंग फेस हो गया या ग्रॉक हो गया। दीज are the website which provide us the model, and by using this model we can create the different types of application. So all these things we are going to learn thoroughly. Okay, so I think if you see here, there are lots of models here guys. So llama, ये जो है sorry, this is something free for some tokens limit they have. तो उसका भी कोई हमें टोकन का एक ये रहता है कि मतलब इतने टोकन्स फ्री है, इतने टोकन्स आप फ्री में यूज कर सकते हो, आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू पे। बट डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू यूज द ग्रॉक, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ एपीआई की फॉर दैट, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ एप्लीकेशन, जेएनएआई एप्लीकेशन बाय यूजिंग ग्रॉक। तो हगिंग फेस भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं। तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें वी विल डिस्कवर, वी विल रिसर्च एंड डेवलप वन एप्लीकेशन एज अ प्रोजेक्ट। आपके प्रोजेक्ट भी हम लेने वाले हैं। वी विल टेक टू प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर यू गाइज। वन इज अ चैटबॉट 101%, अनदर वन देयर इज अनदर एप्लीकेशन, जेन एआई एप्लीकेशन that you can insert in your resume. So I can, what I will give you, so I will help you to understand how to download the software. I will teach you end to end, from the downloading software to develop the Gen AI model. So it is a end to end. Okay, from the download of the softwares, even I can tell you how to download the Jupyter. What is a Visual Studio Code? What is a there are lots of applications we required. Streamlight, what is a Streamlight, what is all these application, how to download, how to use in our AI application. These all things we are going to cover in our syllabus. So this course is end to end guys, from the downloading your softwares to develop the Gen AI model. So this is all about the our data science and AI course. But let me just think anything is pending. Yeah, so agentic AI also we are going to cover. And LangChain, I already told you, LangChain and LangGraph, these two things also we are going to cover. Azure ML Studio, we will see how to, if I develop any model, so what is the Azure AI model. So Azure is nothing but it is one cloud. They are going to provide one platform to develop their application. तो ये सब हम देखने वाले हैं. We are going to cover all these points in the thoroughly. Right now we have only 40 minutes. So in the 40 minutes I can tell you only high level picture guys. Try to understand. ये कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट हमने थरोली लिया नहीं है। तो जब भी मेरे आगे कोई कुछ सेशंस आप ज्वाइन करोगे, यू विल गेट एन आइडिया हाउ आई एम टीचिंग, व्हाट इज अ पाइथन। तो पाइथन से बहुत सारे लोग डर जाते हैं। सो आई कैन टेल यू, इफ यू ज्वाइन द लर्नोमेट, you will use Python from first of the day. That is very, very easy. Trust me. Okay, so that's it from my side. I will take your entire syllabus. It will take 5.5 months, and for with two projects, even I will for every 15 days we will take some of the mock interviews. Once in a month or once in a 15 days we will decide. In last batch we took once in a month, but I think now we will implement here once in a 15 days. I will take your interviews, mock interviews, whatever the syllabus we have covered. तो वो syllabus के ऊपर हम एक इंटरव्यू रखते हैं, कुछ सरप्राइज टेस्ट भी हम लेते हैं ताकि यू विल गेट अ आइडिया। हाँ, और इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ पे कुछ डेवलप करूंगा और आपको आपको बस देखना है। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। इफ आई डेवलप हियर, सपोज आई विल गिव यू जस्ट एग्जांपल हियर, सी हियर, आई कैन शो यू वन थिंग. So what my students will do, I will tell you one thing, so you will get more idea. Suppose here, this is a logistic regression. I have developed one model. Okay, so how I will show to my students how to develop it. तो सपोज ये मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को बता दिया, देन आई विल मिनिमाइज द स्क्रीन एंड आई विल आस्क टू स्टूडेंट, I will give them 20 minutes and I will ask to student please do in front of me. So what happened, अगर मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, the students will develop write a code in front of me, in front of me in the sense they will write the code. अगर आपको कोई issues आती, you can ask me in that batch only. So like that, we are going to cover this all the sessions. So theoretical plus practical, this all the things we are going to cover in our session. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I'm here to solve your doubt. Yeah. टीचिंग स्टाइल तो आपको समझी होगी कि थेरोटिकल प्लस प्रैक्टिकल हम लेने वाले हैं। तो थेरोटिकल पहले आपको करके दिखाएंगे प्रैक्टिकली, आपको फिर उसमें कवर करके लेना है। ठीक है, आपको भी कुछ इश्यूज है तो देन यू कैन आस्क। रोल्स वी कैन अप्लाई थ्रू दिस कोर्स। ओके, सी अगर आप ये कोर्स कंप्लीट करते हो देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द डेटा एनालिस्ट, क्योंकि डेटा एनालिस्ट का ऑलरेडी सब्जेक्ट्स है। ओके, डेटा एनालिस्ट का हम ऑलरेडी कवर करने वाले। हम दूसरा एआई इंजीनियर्स जो रहते हैं वो तो हम आपको कर ही सकते हो। प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग, वन मोर vacancies are there. If you search on the Google prompt engineers, there are lots of requirements for the prompt engineering. It is very easy, coding not required there. So वो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। तो बहुत सारी 3-4 पोजीशन, इवन यू कैन अप्लाई एज अ पावर बीआई डेवलपर, यू कैन अप्लाई एज अ SQL डेवलपर। सो 5-6 रोल्स के लिए आप एलिजिबल हो जाओगे अगर ये कोर्स करते हो तो। आपका टाइमिंग जो है वो किरण मैम विल बी डिसाइड द टाइमिंग, सो डोंट वरी, इट विल 100% वो आपका जो टाइमिंग रहेगा वो डिसाइड आपकी अवेलेबिलिटी के ऊपर रहेगा। तो मोस्टली इट विल बी इन नाइट ओनली, 7 to 8 और समथिंग वी विल डिसाइड whatever the feasible for you guys, then we will decide one time and then we are going to cover it. Excel is important, not in the data. No, Excel is not that much important. Basic Excel आना चाहिए. Basic Excel in the sense, if you know sum, average, mean, max, x lookup, तो लगे तो एक आधा सेशन हम ले सकते हैं एक्सेल के ऊपर, डोंट वरी। तो बेसिक सिक्वल जितना जरूरी है इन 9 years 8 years, जो मुझे लग रहा है कि क्या जरूरी है उतना एक्सेल में आपको एक एक सेशन लेके आपको बता सकता हूँ डेफिनेटली, सो डोंट वरी। Another question, what is the can non-IT student? Yes. See, uh, if you see my first slide, I have trained almost 800 plus students. In 800 students, most of the students are not from the IT background. Still, they have place in the good MNCs. Okay, तो आपको जरूरी नहीं है आप आईटी बैकग्राउंड से होना चाहिए, यू आर फ्रॉम द आईटी और यू आर फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर साइंस, नॉट लाइक दैट। Suppose you are from the mechanical or you are from the BSc, BCom. These peoples also, if they will join 101% all the session with the dedication and they will study at their home, 101% they see people will nowadays people will see their skill, not your education. अगर आपको skills है तो कोई problem नहीं है। It will be better if it will be 8 p.m. 8 p.m. IST. I am located different countries, 7 p.m. IST. It will be difficult. Subodh, the timing definitely we are going to cover. Kiran, please contact to Subodh, take his away and let we.
Yes, hello everyone. Please fill up the attendance form. Also, we shared the contact number in a chat box. Okay, so you can contact on that number also. And please fill up the attendance form so our team will contact you and guide you about the timing and all the things.
Someone has asked. Someone has asked that he did data engineering. How is the different from the data science? Of course, data science is different, guys, because data science and data engineer. See, data engineers is purely ETL job. ETL job means extract, transform, and load. So it will start. It will their job roles and responsibility will start from the extraction of the data, doing some transformation and cleaning the data, and then they will going to load that data in the database or some other formats in the Parquet format. So for that reason, they have to use their different tools, ETL tools like Azure Data Factory, Snowflake, SSIS on-prem. SSIS is on-prem tool, Ultrix. तो डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में क्या होता है ना, आपका डेटा का फ्लो आपको कैसे बनाना है, या आपका डेटा को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके उसको लोड कैसे करना है, ये डेटा इंजीनियर का काम होता है. डेटा साइंस इज डिफरेंट, इज लाइक दैट कि जो डेटा डेटा इंजीनियर आपको ला के देगा, उस डेटा के बेसिस के ऊपर यू हैव टू डेवलप द मॉडल. आपको क्या करना है, डेटा इंजीनियर क्या करेगा, दे विल प्रोवाइड यू अ डेटा. ठीक है, उसने एक बार आपको डेटा दे दिया, डेटा इंजीनियर का काम खत्म. डेटा साइंस व्हाट विल डू, डेटा साइंस विल डू whatever the data the provided by data engineers, they will develop and model on the basis of that data. तो अगर जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट्स रहेंगी क्लाइंट साइड से, उसकी बेसिस के ऊपर डेटा साइंस वाले काम करके मॉडल डेवलप करके रहेंगे. एंड दैट इज द सम हाउ द डिफरेंस अबाउट द डेटा इंजीनियर्स एंड डेटा साइंस. आई होप यू गॉट द आंसर. Okay. Anything else, guys? Any question you have? Fees and all these things you can contact to the Kiran, or you can fill the form. They will contact you, and don't worry, it is a comparatively lesser fees. Don't worry. But 101% if you join the class, you never regret. That is my assurance to you. Because here you will get end-to-end guidance from the downloading software to develop the Gen AI models. It's not a easy, guys. When you see our sessions, how much efforts I'm doing, I'm taking care for you, you will see the fees are very, very lesser. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, please fill the form, guys. Are you going to take how to integrate the LLM API, how to deploy the models? 101%. We will see how to these all the things we are going to cover, guys. How to integrate the LLMs, how to use the API. I told you, right? Grok API, how to create a API key. Normally also, how to use the fast API. Yes. These all the things we are going to cover, Pragati. Don't worry. Right now, why I'm not telling you these things, because some persons are not from the IT background, they are going to confuse. So that's why I have not used these terms. I hope you got the answer, Pragati. Thank you. Anything else, guys? If you have any doubt, please you fill your form, and our sessions are going to start soon. So you can join the sessions. You can see how the teaching patterns is going on. You will see the difference 101%. And currently I'm working, so don't worry. I know what are the interview questions going to cover in your interviews. So I will tell you this is the important topic. You have to pay attention here. What are the types of questions will be asked on the particular topic? That all the things we are going to cover. So you no need to worry about that. And I am the AI architect, so I know end to end. So wherever you will stuck, I can help you. So it is very end to end sessions, guys. I hope all the people have filled the form, and you can join some demo sessions, which is free initial, I think 2-3 sessions, but you can just fill the form and connect to our team. For more details, you can connect to Kiran or some concerned person. Contact numbers are given there. For more information, here the contact numbers are given there, so you can check it. That do we get a certificates? Yes, you will get a sorry, you will get the soft copy for the data science and AI certification. You will get a certification. Yeah. So can we wrap this? You will get a course completion. Yeah. So I hope all the doubts has been cleared. Kiran, could we wrap up the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.